Alrighty, back at it. Second teardown of the 50. Motor's locked up. Thing is collapsed. Motor locked up. Good thing Steven from Fat Fury Crew is gonna hook me up with a fresh, already big board 88cc motor. Taking this thing apart right now. Got the pipe coming off right now. Got one more bolt. Yeah, I'll hit you guys when I get more off. Alright, we're back. I got the whole motor stripped. Motor mounts are loose. Both of them are loose. Got the harness loose. Nothing else on the frame anymore. I think we're gonna yank this thing out. And our motor. Yeah, buddy. This thing has definitely done its duty. Maybe I'll rebuild it, but I don't really feel like it. This thing here, I'll show you now. Just look at the stator. It's locked up. It shouldn't be this hard to spin. It's completely locked. But all right, I kind of skipped over a few things, but new motor, BBR big bore kit. This one spins, unlike the other one. So Steven from Fat Fury Crew hooked it up. Got a fresh motor. Gonna start putting this thing together. Already got it nice and tight in the frame. Time to start throwing everything on. I'm gonna start with the harness. Yeah, buddy. All right, update on the 50. You got a little carried away, but we got it mostly put together. Got the pipe, peg bar, brake, chains on, tension. Only got a few more things left. We got a gas tank, carb. Then we can start this thing up, see if she runs. Alright, it's the next day now, and I skipped past a lot. I always just forget to film, but she's ready. She's all put back together. We're gonna go rip at the boys right now. She's barking. This motor runs so much better than my last one. Thanks so much to Mr. Cass. Really means a lot for all the help and everything. Got the fresh grips, donuts on. She's ready to go rip. It's gonna be a fun day today. Dirt's prime. Nice and wet out there still, so it's gonna be a fun day today.
With the 88C kit, and I've never ran it. It's brand new.
So dirty. Holy.
I'm about to just fucking use my hands.
Covered in mud. Oh my god. New lip coming in. Talon's slaving away.
I'm a supervisor.
Brendan's a fucking union worker. He's just sitting there while everyone else is working.
Gotta make sure they're doing it right.
Yeah.
He's our emotional support.
Yeah, he's our union worker. What we got over here, Talon?
Ramp right here.
Building a fresh jump.
I'm not working on this landing.
Over here.
Over there for me.
Over here. This one will hit soon.
Where are you doing it at right here?
Torrential downpour right now. We're hiding under a fucking tree. Talon and Corbin are back to get the easy up. Before we start riding. Time to go rip some motos off.
Go Boomer. About to throw down right now. About to win the race. Dave in the cut. Pre-game interview. How you feeling? I don't know. About to take this fool out. About to wipe him out. And little boy Jace on the 50. I'm about to clean them. Watch this. They can get their practice lap. Big bike race is going on. Ah! Good last night?
Oh, that was a good one. Here we go.
Oh, dude.
Did you get that?
I don't know how good. Do it again! Dude, I was too close. Dude, we need to build a little watchtower out here.
I was gonna fucking lose that. Oh!
Now I'm taking the inside rut.
Downshifted.
I don't want to put my seat. Norman's barking. That thing's so quiet, dude. First place, second, third. First place we got Corbin. Second we got Jace. Third we got Talon. I'm gonna film them because they're like fighting right now. What happened?